Happy Sunday. I don't tell y'all about Jesus today. It was kind of a weird day. I went to church twice, so I can't tell y'all about all of it. Anyway, I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Bye. I'm at the 8:30 service. Man, they're rocking loud today. Hear it? All right. Bye. They're rocking it. Hello. So today's going to be a little different. Hang on. I got to get it figured out. My words ain't coming out very well today, but I ain't got that amnesia stuff. Anyway, so it's going to be different because today's Mother's Day. Sorry, I'm just hacking. I took my Advil cold and sinus, and so I went to 8:30 service with Mama, or by myself. And my church family, we always go to the 10 o'clock. And now I'm going to go to Mom's house. She usually goes, I know she's at Sunday school because she texted me. So I'm going to go to Mom's house and stuff for the next 15, 20 minutes. And I'm probably won't be able to have time to get anything recorded. So, and then Mom and I are going to go to lunch. But it's different because she's already texted me. One of the ladies from her Sunday school, her children are not with her, and she's kind of a newer widow. And so Mom asked if she could come along, and I'm like, well, of course. So anyway, so I'm not going to be doing a lot of recording of me and Mom while we're there. You know what I mean? Because I don't want to be disruptive of the situation. So I just wanted to give you a heads up. That's why things will be just a little bit low key.
You can count on these words. You're his sheep. He's your shepherd. We pray. Gracious God.
I haven't found any
beans.
I know. The only thing I don't care for is
With my chopstick. Okay, so I've got my coleslaw, broccoli, and my pork steak. For those who are new, my signature calling card here at my mother's is I take her toilet paper off the little dispenser and I set it on top. That's my nice little, have a good day, Mom, I was here. Hi, everybody. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to you, my sweet daughter.
And my sweet mama. We hung out today. We went out to eat, and we ate with one of Mom's friends. So, okay, see you later. Bye.
She even went to church twice because she went with me. She went to hers and then went to mine.
I got extra Jesus today. Bye. You guys, I'm having a heck of a time. Now, hopefully, by the time this video comes out, which will be Tuesday, hopefully by then, the situation will have resolved itself. First off, guess who did not potty while I was gone? I did leave the dog door open, and so he could get to the dog door. I just have to wipe his eyes. He gets these runny eyes. Since the surgery, let me see if you can watch, see if you can see it. Watch when you touch right here. See how that eye doesn't really blink? But then if you touch over here, it does blink. The vet taught me that. Because it has to do with that facial nerve. Anyway, so I got a situation. Last night, I thought I had to pass a little gas. It wasn't gas. No. I went downstairs and had to take a shower. Down in the basement, the old concrete basement. Then, now I'm gun shy. And so I'm afraid to pass gas. And it's a good thing because I go to the restroom and it's a little psst, squirt. And then you got to do paperwork. So then a couple of minutes later, I'm like, oh, I need to go pass a little gas. And go in there, gas, squirt. I'm like, what the heck, dude? So anyway, I'm sure it'll be done after a couple days. So hopefully it's done and over with by the time you see this. Hopefully none of y'all are eating your supper with me right now. If so, hi, I'm Terry. Welcome to my channel. Anyway, so what I did was yesterday I had made 2 New York strips. I ate one and put the other in a container. Well, a week or so ago, no, I guess it's last weekend, I air fried some chicken thighs. and I put them in the freezer. I wanted to see how it would do being reheated. So what I did was, I took one of the chicken thighs. I went ahead and used scissors to cut out the bone. And that way, because tomorrow's Terri, she ain't gonna want to eat it like that. So anyway, so tomorrow I'll use the toaster oven at work. So I'll have one chicken thigh tomorrow and the other half of this ribeye steak. And then I already cut it all up into bite-sized pieces for tomorrow's Terri. And tonight I've got half of a ribeye and one chicken thigh. So that was a pretty good choice. I'm pretty excited about it. It's kind of cool to know that I can do things like that. So anyway, so the air fryer heated it up just fine, both of them, the steak and the chicken thigh. Now for here, got my handy dandy salad. I'm running low on salad dressing, so I might have to make some. We'll see what I do. But anyway, I got my salad dressing. Salad dressing. But I like raw cabbage for my salads. I think several of you all have done it that way now too. It just stays crunchy. So it's cabbage and some rutabaga. I tell you what, by the time I get done eating, this rutabaga wears my jaw out. It's like, I think it's more dense than a carrot. You know how a carrot is? This got chew a little bit harder. It's good though. I like it. I had a good visit with Mom. No, she had a, we had a pastor who retired, and then he passed away last November. And his wife was at church today, and her Mom's like, "Are your kids coming?" And she's like, "No, because they don't live around here." And she had already drove to see one, and she's gonna drive to see the others next weekend. So they didn't come down. And Mom was like, "Well, you can come eat with us." And so anyway, so it was nice. So I surprised Mom. She didn't know that I was coming to her church, and I sat in her pew, because we're Lutheran. Well, I grew up Lutheran, and she goes to Lutheran church. You don't sit in somebody else's pew. That's unacceptable. And I'm just teasing, kind of. But anyway, so I was sitting in her pew, and she said, and so later on we were talking, and she said, "Yeah, I was walking up the aisle," and I'm like, "Oh, somebody's up there by my pew." And then she said, and then I turned around and I saw her, and she saw my face. She's like, "Oh." So it was a good surprise. I was glad that I went to my church and then her church. So, we were able to sit in church together on Mother's Day. And then her friend Val, she sat with us. So it was a good time. It's just totally different because, it's a very kind of church where mine is a, hey, man, come on, preach it, brother. So it's just a different atmosphere. Now, Mom will raise her hand, not high, but, she'll give a little kind of thing. So it's just hard for me to go from one extreme to the other. But I did it. I raised my hand, like, in the song several times. I was like, I almost felt like I was being sacrilegious. But I know it ain't. Anyway, just the upbringing and the differences in churches. But yeah, so we sat in church. We went to church together. And then we went out to eat, and it was good. I had my pork steak and coleslaw and broccoli, and it was amazing. Mom took home my roll, and let's see, what else? Yep, then I went to Mom's. We hung out. Heavy topics. We talked insurance and politics. It was fun, though. And yeah, I guess that's it. So now I'm home. And this is a short video, y'all. But I'm so stinking excited. Lou did not wee-wee on the pads. He went outside. I've left the dog door open before. And when at work on Thursday and Friday. And he did wee-wee inside. But he didn't today. I'm so proud of my boy. So anyway. Oh, listen. I have been so excited to try this creamy. ever since we talked about it the other day. So this is a pistachio, because I always make my pistachio with strawberry. And I'm like, wait a minute, if a pistachio is a nut, why wouldn't I mix it with peanut butter? Why don't I see how that goes? So I have not tasted it yet, so let's see what we think. So this is pistachio keto chow and peanut butter equipped prime. That's good. It's got half a serving of electrolytes in it too. I like that combination. I wanted to do it because I don't really want to buy another bag of strawberry. And so I was like, well, what are the things that I use the strawberry in? And so that was one of them. So I wanted to try without it. So, all right. I love you people. Just get a short video today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.